Will robots really take over jobs in Nigeria, or will AI create new opportunities we've never imagined? The answer might surprise you. Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant concept. From Lagos to Abuja, from classrooms to farms, AI is slowly reshaping how Nigerians work, learn, and live. But here's the big question: in a country where unemployment is already a challenge, is AI a threat, or a blessing? Stay tuned as we break down what AI means for Nigeria's future. What AI is doing globally versus Nigeria. Globally, AI is automating tasks in banking, healthcare, and even transportation. In Nigeria, we're starting to see AI in fintech apps for fraud detection, in agriculture for crop monitoring, and in schools where students use tools like ChatGPT for assignments. But while adoption is rising, access to affordable internet and electricity remains a barrier. Jobs AI might replace in Nigeria. Routine banking jobs like cashiers and call center agents may be automated. Customer service roles in telecoms could shift to AI chatbots. Even transportation jobs may face competition from AI-driven logistics and ride-hailing systems. New opportunities AI will create. But AI will also create new opportunities. Tech jobs like data analysts and AI trainers. Non-tech Nigerians can benefit too: farmers using AI weather predictions, entrepreneurs using AI to market products, and creatives using AI to edit videos, write scripts, and design graphics. The shift won't just remove jobs, it will transform them. What Nigeria needs to do. For Nigeria to benefit from AI, we must invest in digital infrastructure, more affordable internet and reliable electricity. Schools need to train youths in AI skills. Policymakers must balance innovation with job protection. And local startups should build AI tools in Yoruba, Igbo, and Hausa so no one is left behind. So, will AI take jobs in Nigeria? The truth is, yes, some jobs will disappear. But AI will also create even more opportunities for those who adapt. The question is, will you prepare yourself for this new future, or be left behind? If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. The future of AI in Nigeria is being written right now, and you have a role to play.